we are going to learn how to gift wrap two gift items together. For that, we would need gift wrapping paper, a tape dispenser, gift items of your choice to be wrapped, some decorative items, and a contrasting tape. Since my wrapping paper is blue in color, I have taken a silver tape. In case your gift wrapping is in contrast to a golden color, then you should prefer golden ribbon, and so on. Let's get started. Since I have two gift items, one is bigger, one is smaller. The bigger one has to be the base of the gift, so that will be wrapped in a simple manner. Since it was a rectangular gift, so I wrapped it very basically. Now, for the other gift that I have, that is going to be on the top of the gift. So we will do the packing of this gift in a creative way. So let's learn how to do that. First, measure the paper for your gift item. Now I have taken top and bottom part of the paper accordingly so that it should cover both the ends, and the other length should be a little extra according to the gift. Why? Because we'll make 3 folds in it at the center of the paper. It should be like this. We'll make one fold like this. We'll leave this paper here and we'll fold it. Now after a gap of say 1 inch, we'll fold it again. We'll repeat the process. Now there are 3 folds on your gift wrapping paper. 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll reverse the paper and we'll secure the ends. Now, using the same paper, we will gift wrap our item. In case you wish to learn the basic gift wrapping from me, please do send me a message in the comment section. I will make a video separately for a simple gift wrapping too. Similarly, we'll fold it on the other side. Now we'll take this and we'll take the bigger gift. Now it's all up to you. How do you want to place your gift item? You want to place it in the center, you want to place it in the center corner, or you want to place it at the bottom corner. For me, I feel that bottom corner is the right placement. I prefer my gift this way, so let's wrap it together now. tape. Now see this, just with the little tape, how beautifully it has come out. Now the folds that we have made, gently pull them upwards so that the creativity that you have shown here by making the folds is clearly visible. See this. Now I'm using my decorative items, and again using a double-sided tape I'm going to do the placements.